making a keto breakfast smoothie for breakfast, and I thought I would talk you through as I make it and show you what I am doing. I'm starting with half a cup of almond milk. I've got this almond coconut milk combo that I love. Use your milk of choice. I'm making this keto, low carb, dairy free. So yeah, this is the ingredients I'm using. Next we have half a cup of canned coconut milk. Now I opened this can and I'm having it over a couple of days. So what I did is I poured it into a bowl and it's completely thickened. Let me show you. Look at this. It's completely thickened. It's got this beautiful thickened creamy texture to it, and it also means I've had coconut milk over a couple of days. Now check down below, there'll be the recipe that you can follow along. And as always, adapt it to your taste. If you're not a big fan of canned coconut milk, use all normal milk, and if you are happy to have dairy, add a bit of cream to it or whatever you like. And next I'm adding a quarter of a cup of yogurt. I've got a coconut yogurt that I get. I've shared with you guys before. It's just yum yogurt. It's dairy free yogurt. I like just having days where I just have dairy, or meals that I just don't have dairy in because I have heaps of dairy. And just to sweeten it up a bit, I'm popping a half a little teaspoon of sweetener in. It's my stevia. Use your sweetener of choice if you want. And next I've got some chopped strawberries. I've got 4 strawberries chopped up going in. And as I want this to kind of be a whole complete meal, I'm adding half a scoop of protein powder. I found half a scoop is enough for me because I do have heaps of protein through the rest of my day. So I'm happy with half a scoop of protein powder. Totally skip it if you don't want to have protein powder, or use a whole scoop. Use as much as you want. Okay, I've got my blender all hooked up. Let's give it a blend. And you can stop it if you want along the way, making sure that it's turned off completely, and just scrape down the edges. Make sure any of your mixture down the bottom is mixed through. So let's pop it onto blend again. And that is perfect. Let's pour it out into a cup now. Now this does make, according to my jug, about 2.5 cups. So it's enough if you want to kind of share it or have it over a couple of days. Or really, I mean, you definitely could have this all in one day if you really want to. There you go. It definitely will fill you up. Just depends where you're at and what you feel like, how hungry, how much of a meal you need. But there you go, that is the recipe for today for keto breakfast smoothie. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you leave a like and subscribe for more yummy inspirations just like this, and leave a comment. Let me know what's your favorite smoothie combo. I enjoy reading your comments, and remember to check down below for the link to the recipe, and I'll have some variations of ingredients that you can use and other ideas. So check down below, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.
We're doing the breakfast for Tuesday, the keto peanut butter cup smoothie for breakfast. It's called for raw peanut butter, natural peanut butter, which we have there. We have a call for coconut cream, so we're using coconut milk. If you want to make your coconut cream, all you have to do is take your can of coconut milk, put it in the icebox for 24 hours, and when you open it, it's going to separate. And the stuff that's on the top, that's the coconut cream. But I forgot to put one in our refrigerator.
I didn't know you could do that.
That's how you make your coconut cream. And then it's called for some
Protein powder.
Protein powder. We got chocolate protein powder. Okay, Cindy.
Alright, what I'm going to do now is put the ice cubes in. It's really simple. Your coconut milk. 1 cup of water.
That was 3 ice cubes, y'all.
Your peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter.
And this is supposed to be for
Natural.
2 servings.
Yeah, that's what it said. And your powder. And we're going to blend it up and it'll be done.
That is our breakfast.
Hear it until we don't hear the ice.
And it does say 3 ice cubes.
Okay, it's done.
And there we go. That's our breakfast for today. That's what we're supposed to drink today for breakfast.
Yeah,
There you go.
here we go.